Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change system themes and colors in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to change your system theme, color or background, so let's see how we can do that. So you can see in my PC, I'm using a dark theme with this color of my Windows. So let's see how can you change this. You just have to simply open your Settings app, or you can directly right click on anywhere on your desktop and then go to this Personalize option, or you can go to Settings on your PC by clicking on this window icon. Search for Settings or click on Settings here and just wait for the loading, then select Personalization from here. Now here, if you want to change whole completely theme of your PC, just select Themes. And here, just select any theme you have on your PC. So in my case, I have a lot of downloaded themes. If you want to download any theme, just tap on this Browse Themes option, and it will open in your Microsoft Store. You might get a lot of themes here. You just have to install or download anyone which you want. So let's say I'm gonna install, for example, this one from here. Just tap on this Apply option. If you have already installed, so you must get the apply option. You can also download it from here, or you can select from your downloaded themes. Just select any theme which you want to set and it will be set it on your PC. You can also change your mouse color, your background, or you can also change your whole window color. So here you can see I have set it blue, or this one here I'm going to change this. Just select any color from here which you want to set, and it will be set it in your PC settings. So in this way, you can easily change themes and colors of your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.